I said to myself I wasn't going to do these questions, but they're just so much fun, so I'm going to do it anyway. Example 12, find the area of the region bounded by the curves y equals 4 minus x squared and y equals x plus 2. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I want to visualize what's happening here. So I know I've got on the first one, I've got a parabola. Second one, I've got a straight line. So let's just sketch what's going on here so we can see. Because we're going to have to decide which function is greater than the other, or if we're dealing with other bits. So we've got our, we're going to sketch it. We know that we've got 4, it's a concave down parabola, so we're going to have something like this. Nice, smooth, symmetrical as possible. Okay, so no big bumps and changes. We've got y equals 4 minus x squared. And we've then got x plus 2, so it's passing the y-axis at 2, and it's got a gradient of 1. So it looks like it's definitely got 2 points at which they cross. Y equals x plus 2, and the question is asking us to find the shaded region here. So first thing we need to do, as we've got two functions that cross, if we set them equal to each other, 4x squared is equal to x plus 2, we can state that 0 is equal to, what have we got, x minus 2 plus x squared. Let's just double check that. So we've got 0, yeah, okay. Some of you might want to rewrite that. We can solve that by factorizing first. So we've got x, adds the two values add together to give us 1, but times together to give us minus 2. So we're going to have plus 2, minus 2, which tells us the solutions to y equals 4 minus x squared and y equals x plus 2 are the values that x is 2 and 1. Okay, so on our graph we now know that at this point we have minus 2, and at this point we have, sorry, at this point, my bad, that's equal to 1. Sorry, let me erase that a little bit. If it's gonna, there we go, okay. So we can also see that to the left of this value, x plus 2 is greater than y equals 4 minus x squared. But then 4 minus x squared becomes greater. Okay, so in the portion that we're looking in, so in our this point, y equals 4 minus x squared is greater than y equals x plus 2. Now we need to know that because that means this is going to be our first value, this is going to be our first value, and we're going to subtract this away. So really now what the question is asking is the integral between negative 2 and 1 of 4 minus x squared minus x plus 2 with respect to x. Let's just put it like that. So that's essentially what the question is now asking. So we've got some GCSE skills there to find out that value, but now we need to subtract the lower function away from the upper function. So next page. Let's just rewrite that. 1 minus 2. Let's jump back. 4 minus x squared. 4 minus x squared. Minus x minus 2. Minus x minus 2 with respect to x. Simplify a little bit. 1 minus 2. 4 minus... sorry, no. It's not, is it? It's 4 minus 2 is 2. Minus x squared minus x with respect to x. Okay, so we can integrate this function now. So that 2 integrated must have come from 2x quick check, times by the power, bring the power down one, yep. Then we're going to have minus 1/3 of x cubed, so times by the power, 1, bring the power down, sorted. And then x must have come from half x squared, and we've got the bounds of -2 and 1. So to find this out, now we just need to substitute the numbers in. So we have 2 times 1 minus 1/3, 1 cubed, minus half of 1 squared. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 1/3 times -2 cubed minus a half -2 squared. Bracket. Sorry. A little bit more processing. 2 minus 1/3 minus 1/2 minus, so minus 4. -2 to the power of 3 is -8. So we've got plus 8/3. And that -2 squared is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we've got minus 2. Last little bit, go through each little step and add it all up. Comes to a lovely value of 9/2. Double check by typing this into your GDC. You can do the bounded area, and we should get a value of 4.5.